Hello, are you a JAMB candidate for 2024? There are some important steps that you must take 7 days to the JAMB examination. Are you ready to know them? Let's go. All right, you are welcome back, everybody. My name is Irene Samson Oluwatobiloba. I am currently a second year student of Ekiti State University from the Department of Arts and Language. All right, so in this video, I am going to be telling you the important things you need to know and do 7 days to the examination. I mean, to the JAMB examination. All right, now, let me tell you what is at stake for this examination first. All right. Now you must know that the score you have in this JAMB examination determines your fate, whether or not you are going to university or probably college or polytechnic this year. All right. Now, if your aim is for universities, you must know that you must have high score in JAMB examination. All right. Now, you must have it at the back of your mind that if you do not perform well in the JAMB examination, for you to skip through when it comes to post UTME of any of the schools you choose. If you choose university and they are doing post UTME, you must know that you must have a high JAMB score for you to be able to skip through easily. Now, if you have a low score in JAMB, you still have to pass through the stress you are passing through this year in order to write it again next year. So please know that something is at stake here. Do everything you need to do in order to have a high score in this 2024 JAMB. And also, effective preparation cannot be overemphasized. I've always been telling you, and I've made different videos on this YouTube channel, on the need to always prepare, on the need to make sure you are always preparing. And I've talked about you preparing with past questions, taking drills online, reading with groups and all. You can check my channel. You see a lot of videos that I've made concerning JAMB success in 2024. All right. And also, I want you to take the remaining time seriously. As in, these remaining 7 days, you can still do something better. You can still do something that you don't even think you can still achieve. So you have to make use of your time effectively. Don't think, oh, all hope is lost. You can no longer do anything in 7 days. You can do many, many things. All right, you can still do a lot. So please don't let your hope down. All right, now let me give you some key strategies that will really help you in the remaining 7 days to the JAMB examination. I want you to assess your current knowledge or the courses or subjects rather that you are having issues with. All right, you really need to assess your current knowledge. Analyze your previous tests or drills that you have taken online. Analyze it. Begin to check what are those things you are not doing well. What are those things that you are doing well, but yet you still need to build more on it. You need to know all of these things. And also allocate more time to subjects that you find more difficult. Allocate more time to it. For example, during my own time when I want to do my own JAMB, I discovered that subjects like CRS, English, is easier for me. But when it comes to literature and government, they're a bit wavy. All right, they're a bit wavy. So I don't really focus my time on CRS and English. So the things I focus my attention more is on government and literature. And I tell you, I have my good scores in it. So I am sharing with you practical steps that you can take. It's not just me telling you theory that you cannot apply. So if you are doing calculation courses, maybe mathematics or chemistry is your problem. If chemistry or physics is your issue, please take time and work it out. These remaining 7 days. Also, I want you to create a daily study plan. I think I've talked about this the other time also, but I still need to emphasize it. These remaining 7 days, take it really seriously. What you can read between these 7 days, I'm telling you, if you are really, really serious, you will cover a lot of things, and probably even the things you read within the 7 days, you are going to see them in your examination. I also want you to utilize the resources you have effectively. All right, explore educational YouTube channel like this one that you are watching now. You can easily explore educational YouTube channel. All right, it is really, really helpful. If you go to the content I have posted, you will discover that those contents will help you when it comes to academics. They will help you in your examinations and all. So explore YouTube channels. They will help you. They will really, really help you. So I want you to take advantage of JAMB past questions that you can see online. I told you guys in one of my videos that I posted earlier that you should find groups of friends that you read together, find online drills that you can ask yourself questions and then you provide answers to it yourself also. Do you get what I'm trying to say? If you don't get the answer correctly, you can ask the admin of the group or the organization to help you out with the answer. All right, so please maximize everything you have now. Also follow reputable JAMB groups or forums for updates and tips. This cannot be overemphasized. Now, there are some people that are going online doing JAMB runs and all these things are scam. JAMB runs are scam. Nobody can do JAMB runs for you. If it is done, you will be caught. So don't, if you have paid for any JAMB runs, just take your mind off it and take your books now and read. It is what? It is false. It is scam. So I would love to tell you that you really need to practice and practice and practice. Now, familiarize yourself with JAMB examination formats. Now, if you check my videos, my previous videos, I dedicate a video to JAMB examination formats. If you know the format of what you are trying to go and do, I think your tension will reduce and then you know what to expect and what is going on in the exam. Also, get familiar with JAMB examination questions. All right, the way JAMB said their question is different from how WAEC and NECO said their questions, even though WAEC and NECO are similar. But for JAMB, please get used to how the questions have been set. I've made videos on all of these things that I'm talking about. And also, please, time management. Time management. You must know that you must spend just few seconds on each question, few seconds, no matter how tough it is, seconds on each question, because you have 180 questions to answer in just 2 hours. So how do you plan to do that if you don't know how to manage your time effectively? That is the purpose of online drills. I want you also to maintain a healthy lifestyle. All right. Now, some people probably if they are having their JAMB examination tomorrow, today they will start doing marathon, or 2 days to the exam they will start doing marathon, and then thereby you'll be sick, you'll not be able to go to the exam hall, or you'll be in the exam hall and you'll be sleeping. Do you get all of these things I'm talking about? I always advise that once your exam is tomorrow, today, sleep and rest. Eat good food so that you not tell stories that touch. All right. So please, it's very, very important for you to do all of this. And also, I must say this: if you have not done your reprint by now, it is bad. It is not good enough. Go and do your reprint so that you will know whether or not your center is close to you, the time you are having it, and what you are expected to do at the examination hall. So I think I have been able to share with you important tips that you must do 7 days to your examination. All right. So like I said, please be encouraged. Do not be discouraged for this examination. Keep your hopes high, and I tell you, it's worth it. It's really, really do worth it. Forget about all the rumors that people are talking about. JAMB is hard, JAMB is this, JAMB fails people, or stuff like that. Please do not listen to those kind of preachings. They are not for you. They are not good enough for you. All right. So I want you to optimize yourself. I want you to keep your hopes high and know that definitely the scores you have been aiming to get, you are going to get it. So if this YouTube channel has really been helping you in one way or the other, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, watch the videos I've talked about earlier, and I'm going to put the link in the description section for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.